horse weave through cones together. Horse stops with front feet on mat. Handler counts to 3.
1, 2, 3.
Continue weave.
Turn, 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 turn.
Horse halts from a walk next to but outside the hoop. Handler counts to 3.
1, 2, 3.
Front
Sweep.
foot in, count to 3.
1, 2, 3. Back. Rein.
Horse walks into gap while handler remains outside. Horse halts for count of 3.
Step, 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 step. 1, 2, 3.
Back horse out of box using any method. Handler and horse walk through scary corner. Horse and handler walk through poles until horse's feet are just past the poles and then back out.
Back, 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 back.
Stop horse with hind feet on mat. Front feet may walk over first.
Step, 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 step. Step, step, step.
Walk horse through 3 overlapping poles.